Point of sale's pricing formula can be used to calculate item prices when they are first added or received into inventory. When a new item is added and assigned to a department with a predefined margin or markup, point of sale will calculate your regular price from the average unit cost by applying the specified margin markup. Prices for your other price levels are calculated based on the price level markdowns defined in company preferences. To define a default department margin or markup, we're going to go to the department list. We're going to choose a department that doesn't have a margin percentage or a markup percentage, so we'll choose the Dell computer. We're going to edit that record. So here is where we can enter a margin value in the margin percentage field or a markup value in the markup percentage field. Entering either results in the other being calculated and auto-filled by point of sale. We're going to enter 40%. And it automatically enters the markup percentage as 67%. We will click Save. Now we're going to enter in an item and we're going to add that department so you can see how it works. We'll click Add and we're going to add a Dell computer 15-inch. And we'll keep it as inventory, and then in the department we will choose the Dell computer, the item description, and copy and paste. And remember to keep the regular price at 0 if you want to be able to have the department markup work. We'll go ahead and add in the average unit cost of $100. It's a pretty good deal on the cost, the average unit cost. It doesn't usually like it when I do this. Enter it in from the screen. Same thing with the on-hand quantity. And I think we're all set. So I will click Save. Well, actually, before I click Save, you can see where the regular price automatically went in to the selected box. So there you go. If you don't want the regular price to be calculated through the department, then you would enter in your own regular price in that box. So we can save. You see it right on the bottom, and you can see what our cost is and then what the regular price is. We will click to the home screen. And that is how you would use a department pricing formula for new items.